going to be rating my fidgets. So fidget spinner, it's not that rare at all. Common fidget, commonest. Before we get started, I already kind of started, but make sure to like and subscribe. If that subscribe button is red, make sure to make it gray. You guys don't have to, I just want 100 subscribers so I can have that play button. Okay, so my fidget spinner, too, I like doing that, too, because it's so common. Now this, I really like. Pop it. I give it 10 out of 10. Can't blame me. Okay. Here's my mouse. Yeah. Okay, well, anyways. My Slinky, it's pretty good. I give it 6. Squishy. 6. This. It is a little rough on one side. And my Rubik's Cube Super Hard to solve, so 0. Oh, it's 1 out of 10, so 1. This water squishy is pretty good. I like it. So it's a 9 out of 10. We're going to save that for last. Now, a squeaky thing I actually really like. It's kind of hard, though. I just made today, and I really like it, so 9 out of 10. I like this a lot. Oh, it's a little boy. I don't know what to rate that. I give it a 6. Now this, it's supposed to be homemade. Pop it. I've been trying to cut the back out, but I can't. And now this. Let me show you guys that. Bent and stuff, and it's a slap bracelet, but you can use it for. Now, last but not least, I did just get these today, the infinity cubes. I do have one more, I can't find it. Yeah. It's my best one to my other one, but I just can't find it. They're actually super fun to play with, and I give them 10 out of 10. Now, this one's actually a fake one, but you know what, I like it. This one I love. Okay, yeah, that was my rating of fidgets. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye!